You see, for the past 11 years or more, I've been showing tradies like you how to do this and how to get off the tools much faster. Tradies like a rigger, Peter and his wife Kelly, when they got their first investment property, made $77,000 just signing a contract. Or construction worker Jock and his wife Kim bought their first investment and in their first full year paid $15,000 less tax. I had a chippy, Matt, single guy, bought his first investment, in the first 12 months made an uplift of $80,000, bought his second one now, and as he's sitting there waiting for this one to build, he's just watching the land go up by 5 to 10 grand a month. I had a Sparky, Justin and his partner Nora, got their first investment property and within 2 years have had an uplift of $130,000. You can't earn that sort of money or save that sort of money.